Today is the day.
Two of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Something just happened and I'm really excited about it. Are you excited? What's that? I will tell you in a minute. It is all because of you guys. We have reached 1000 subscribers. We are the family of 1000 subscribers now. 1000. Ooh, YouTube had decided not to send anything to me. Well, they don't send anything to anybody who reach 100 subscribers or 1000 subscribers. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do something really exciting today. I'm gonna make something for you guys, for myself, for our family of 1000 people. Let me explain. I have made this thing for you guys because you was always there for support me, and this thing will remind me how our channel grow from 0 to 1000. Look, it's pretty cool, isn't it? It's a DIY, customize my own play button. Anybody can make at home. So I will show you how to make this step by step. Let's get the day started.
Everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. Two of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
hours later.
the end, I would like to say thank you very much to all of you guys, because without you, I was nothing. This channel is nothing without you, without your support and without your love. So for the new people who is coming to my channel, my name is Usman Khalid and I'm from Freetown, Sahiwal, Pakistan. And please subscribe to my channel and let this channel to grow to 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. I don't know, it's up to you guys. So thanks for watching my videos. I will see you in the next vlog. So until the next vlog, take care of yourself and the people around you. Khuda Hafiz.